Go.
Dear doctor, it's me. I'm back again. And no, it's not all in my head. I took all the meds just like you said. I did all the things I didn't forget. It's still not any better. I'm just so upset. Why are there no answers to all of these tests? How much worse can this possibly get? They're saying it's not real. All they can do is try to conceal my ability to feel. But I just don't understand, doctor. All I want is to heal. Is this too much to ask? This pain, it hurts so bad. It's making me go mad. I wish you could see all the sleepless nights that I've had. Doctor, what do I do? Who do I turn to if not you? There's this pit in my gut. I feel so stuck in this rut. The walls are closing in on me now. This is just my luck. Now there's this fear, and it's always here. I wish you could feel the rage and the grief inside my tears. I'd do anything, anything to make this feeling disappear. Doctor, please help me. I promise it's more than just anxiety. The pain, it's real, and no one believes me.